Jura Osmek, who will give us the name of the winner, and also to give the awards, el presidente de la Asociación Española de la Prensa Deportiva, Julián Redondo. Por favor.
Well, it is very easy because it is only one name. Young reporter photography, the winner is Akram Abdullah from Yemen.
Akram Abdullah from Yemen is there, but unfortunately, Akram couldn't be with us. Visa problem because he had to go first Qatar and then come here. He couldn't make it, but he sent us a message. There you are. Come. Yes, you will receive his award on his behalf. Thank you. And Mr. Bashir Sinan will receive on his behalf, but we have a video of some words from Akram Abdullah. Listen and look at this.
مرحبا بكم. اسمي أكرم عبد الله من اليمن. شاركت في مسابقة IBS Awards فاينالست وتأهلت لنهائي الجوائز. أشكر الاتحاد الدولي للصحافة الرياضية على دعمه الموافق في جميع أنحاء العالم. شاركت في الصورة من مدينة عدن في أحد الدورات الشعبية. هذه المدينة رغم ما حل بها من حروب في السابق على أن شغف كرة القدم يزداد يوما بعد يوم كما تظهر في الصورة. أشكرا.
Ashukran Akram. Thank you, Akram. Give him the best from us, okay? Take a picture together with just the first picture, and then after we have more awards. Right. Perfect. Now the next one is from Young Reporters, and stay with us. We have also from UEFA Head of Media and PR, Mr. Thomas Jordan. Please join us to give the award.